Hey seniors, so when you sign into your Zello, again, this is what your dashboard looks like. And you can get to that dashboard anytime by pressing the Zello icon at the top. You're going to have the choice to choose between 3 different lessons today. And I want you to make that selection based off of what your SMART goal was that you created with us a couple days ago. Some of you maybe needed to start prepping for college. Some of you maybe needed to start thinking about steps after high school. Some of you needed to make it through high school. So, based upon what you need to do, I want you to choose the lesson, and you can read the lesson summaries in the assignment that's posted in your Google Classroom. If you come to your dashboard and you scroll down, you're going to hit View All Lessons. Okay, this shows you all of the lessons that you have access to. You should have already completed Career and Lifestyle Costs lesson. Okay, that one we did significantly earlier. However, I want you to choose between 3. So today's lessons, you can choose between Study Skills and Habits. This lesson's going to go over facing hurdles, time management. It's going to give you a survey, and then how to plan your next study session and talk about motivation. That one sounds like something you need. Great. If you are like, no, I feel like I have good study skills, awesome. But you're struggling to choose a college, okay? I want you to go to choosing a college. This lesson will talk about what's after high school, confidence boosters, and intuition, must-haves, break it down, school exploration, what's next. Maybe for you, you're like, I'm not really going to do any of that. I think I'm going to start my own business, or I'm going to go straight into the workforce after high school. That's great. I would like you to do the entrepreneurial skills then. And look, in that one, we'll talk about starting a business, having the right skills, developing a business model, entrepreneurship in any career, and is that the right path for you? So I want you to kind of think about those next steps. All right, that is how you do that. Thanks, guys.